Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Belated New Year wishes to everyone. So in most of my videos, people ask me like, bro, I have an Android head unit installed in my car. Is it possible to enable CarPlay or Android Auto in the stereo? So yes, I figured out a way to how to connect everything. So I'm going to show you this in this video. So just follow this procedure and get it installed in your system. Thank you. Switch on the Android head unit and go to Play Store and search for Head Unit Reloaded. So this is the application name. So here you have two applications. So if you want to pay for it, you can use a premium version or you can go for trial version. So in this case, I just installed a premium version here, which is playable. So it is installed already. So I'm going to open this. So here you have everything, the option wise. So you can connect it into a wired or wireless. So whatever may feel easy to you. So on the settings wise, you can go here and check out what and all things are there. Even you can set the resolution. So you can set the resolution to 480, 720, 1080. So whatever you like. So at very beginning of the setup, your system will automatically detect your screen resolution. So if you still want to go and change everything, you can change, or either you can leave it as it is. So these are the settings. You can again you can gain your mic, everything. So whatever the things you want to change it here, you can change and go back. So next you need to take your mobile and try to configure Android Auto. So in my case, I am not able to identify in menu, so I am going with setting. So it is trying to search. So here is Android Auto. I'm selecting this one. So the app is opening here. So in app application settings. So if you're going here, so you will see all the settings. So here you can select whether you want to display a weather or automatically resume the media. It is like when you connect the cable, automatically it will play the songs. And you can even go to the customized launcher and you can select the apps, whatever it has to be displayed in the stereo, that you can select it from here. So once you set up everything, it is done. So now you just need to connect your USB cable, which I kept it here, and I'm going to connect it into mobile. So for easy plug-in, I'm going to keep the mobile here and I'm going to insert the cable. So once I connect the cable, it will automatically detect the mobile and it will get connected. So in case if it is not coming, so again, see, this is the screen and directly you can play the song. So at initial time, what you have to do for bringing this up, so here is the app. Go here and go to USB. In case if you connected your mobile in via USB, and here it will display. So this home screen it will be like a map. So, okay. So I cannot play the songs from the movies because I'm having the copyright issues. So this is the home screen, and if you want to go to menus, press this icon, it will go to the menu. So here you can see all the apps, whatever you have selected. And if you want to hear about weather condition, just select here.
Currently it's 27 degrees and cloudy. Today, there'll be showers with a forecast high of 27 and a low of 22.
Okay, then if you want to listen to news, select this one.
Here's the latest news. From Times of India top stories at 9:11 p.m. last Friday.
Maybe a ray of hope. Sources within the government are telling us that the government's in touch with the sailors directly, as well as how the center is in talks with Chinese authorities.
Okay, now switch back to the main functionality, which is map. So these are recently searched. which I searched in my mobile, so not in the head unit. So it will display here, so you can select it and you can
Then
navigate
west,
here.
Then turn right.
So this is how you need to connect your Android Auto in an Android head unit. So the main reason why I'm using Android Auto instead of Android head unit, because I have the 1 GB RAM version, which is not that much fast. So once I connected here, so it is like moreover like a mobile configuration. Everything is very fast. So when you're driving,
Then
you
west,
no need
then
to.
turn right.
So when you're driving, you no need to wait till it loads. So everything is really fast. So once the app is installed and if you configured everything properly, you no need to do anything on next time. So what you have to do, all you need on mobile, and just connect the cable into the mobile and it'll start loading automatically. See, even the map, your music,
Take the
everything
next
will be
left onto
resumed.
Varoad Parandarai, Kangiam Road. Head west.
So I'm connecting again. I'm just showing how much fast it is. Connected, it's loading. Yeah, it just got loaded. Same like a OEM stereo. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will help you. Yeah, do subscribe, like, and share to your friends and whoever you want. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching this video.